Let's see what we have today. This is the first parcel from China, of course. And here we have a motorcycle. This is a USB flash memory, 32GB thumbstick from AliExpress. It's sealed, as you can see. Let's cut this open and have a closer look. Okay, not bad. What is this? That's fail. This should be glued here, but it's very loose. So yeah, this is the motorcycle. Some people may find this interesting. There's a hole here for you if you want to keep it with your keychain. It's very rubbery. It's convenient to use just this one without the motorcycle enclosure. Anyways, here are the specs, the features, tech key. Let's see what's in the next parcel, which is also came from China. Here we have 10 audio cables, RCA connectors on one end and stereo 3.5mm audio jack on the other. They are 10 pieces. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I ordered 10, but the seller sent me just 9. Nice. Let's see what we have in the next parcel. We have a box here, and inside the box there is another envelope. Oh cool, we have Mega Drive Everdrive cartridge, Mega Driver, SD card here, and here we have a push button and some warning. Please do not replace this operating system. And also we have a memory card. And in this last parcel for today we have more cables. Only this time it's the same end, 3.5mm on both sides. The wire is very thin, which is not necessarily a bad thing. They feel very cheap. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.